Okay, let's open it up, shall we? Okay, let's see what's inside now. Feels like the Barbies in here. Something else in here. All these cute little things. Now we're gonna fill this up with water. Oh my gosh, it's like transforming. Oh my god, it's coming together. Who's it gonna be? Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Look at her. She looks so fierce. Ooh, her tail's glittery. That's so pretty. Let's check out the accessories. That's obviously really exciting as well. Oh my gosh, the accessories are so cute. And a little spongy star. And my favorite part is this teal brush. How cute is that? This, which is super cute too. I put her necklace on, which is so cute, right? So overall, I'm super pleased with my mermaid.